This video shows the GLL170 in a combination with a proximity fiber. It's very simple to put the sensor into operation. You just need 3 steps. First, align the proximity fiber head in the desired position. Now, teach the sensor on a detection object, in this case a metal blade. Therefore, use the preset 2-point teach-in. Place the object in a light beam. Press the teach button. Remove the object and press the teach button again. To show that the teach-in was successful, the display shows good. The metal blade is detected, stable and reliable when it enters the light beam. For challenging applications, the amplifier's parameters can be adjusted via the menu. To avoid that the adjustment buttons are used by accident, there is a keylog function. To activate or inactivate the keylog function, press plus and minus button at the same time for 3 seconds.